So I'm going to show you how to make something that's smaller than micro. It's it's so small I can't even say it. Let's just call it a microplane. So first you take this piece that's going to be something that's going to connect everything else. It's a headlight brick, also known as an Erling brick. That goes right in that small dot. That's why we need an Erling. Then you put three circular cylinder bricks here. And then maybe your wing falls off because it's very weak. Then you attach this 1x1 plate with circle clip. Then take these 2 Thor claw pieces, stick them upwards. You can also stick them downwards or in any direction you want. I just think they look good upwards.
Wake up!
So then you take 2 more cylinder pieces, put them there, and finally a cone piece. So now I'm going to show you how to build a micro train. So first you start with this maybe camera piece. There's like 2 studs here, 2 studs here, 2 studs here, 1 stud here, a bottom and a bottom. And then you take this 1x3 plate and then, or next, you take a 1x1 round and like clear or transparent blue. I just did it in this light blue here, like this color. And also the cylinder brick goes here. And we're almost there. And this T-slope goes here. And 2 wheels go here. And then something. And you finally put the 2 last studs. That is how you build a micro train and plane. See you on the next one.